Coming up, Cruz Pedregon, Ron Capps. Time for our Sounds of the Strip.
Everybody's tough out here. That car is just a handful, man. It's up on the tire, ready to go everywhere but straight sometimes, and the clutch is coming in. Look at that. Had a good race at the start, but then Capps faltered. Cruz runs a 4:16, 307-mile-an-hour pass. So how are the lanes doing? They both seem to be pretty good, Mike.
They both seem to be pretty good, but it's 14-0 left to right. And I tell you what, there is a little bit of an issue in the right lane about 100 feet out as far as getting that applications. We take another look at the launch here on a double wheelie bar on the funny car of Cruz Pedregon. He carried the front end pretty nice, and look at it rattle the tires. Oh, it looks like he almost pedaled it. He did pedal that thing and still went a 4:16 at 3:07. That's a nice job.